time to eat. Know what that means? She don't know what it means yet. When you hear that noise,
what's going on out here?
it means it's time to eat.
What do you do? Do that again. You said, no, the noise.
There's some food out here.
What is this? Blow here. I never saw anything like that.
Well, you can't say that again. Oh! Spilled my drink.
Oh, thank you.
20 ounces of your beverage. BPA free, double wall, 20 ounce hand wash.
Wow. Wow. What would I use that for?
For this! Or for the football game.
Oh.
For the baseball game. For riding my bike.
Oh, wow. That's really cool. Thank you. What a surprise.
For mowing my lawn.
For making my supper?
Get yourself one. It's a loud cup.
Okay.
Loud cup, come all different colors.
We could have some fun with this,
Yeah.
huh?
I figured I'd try them out here, and then maybe we don't want to say if we'll give them for a gift, but we don't want to give them to no kids.
Yeah.
Little kids. I mean, yeah, they'd love it, but their moms would say,
Yeah.
we don't need no more noisemakers, but
We already had that lesson, right?
this is great for a game, right? Imagine it's at the football game. You got your drink in there.
That reminds me of the day we bought all the grandkids harmonicas.
Yeah, that wasn't a good idea.
And when the moms started finding out what we were going to give them, they changed our plan.
Play me a tune.
I gotta get this.
Yeah, go ahead, rinse it off. Yeah, look it. Say double wall insulated, see?
I thought it
See?
felt like there was some inside. Wow. What's on the bottom? What's this?
A speaker.
Oh, that's where the air comes out. Oh. I thought it was I get it now. Let me watch this.
So if you hear that noise and you're somewhere around the area, it means it's time to eat. Is you like it?
I know. I can't believe
You can
this.
change your tune depending on how hard you blow. It
Yeah.
looks like sounds like a sax almost, huh?
Yeah.
Let's do it together.
How do you find these things?
Yourself one. It's a loud cup.
Maybe we can
I'll
learn
put a
a
link
song
down
together.
there. Yeah.
Like I'll play this rhythm.
You gotta keep going. All right.
Gotta breathe.
Stay tuned. We're gonna take some lessons. You'll be seeing these on our time to eat table every Friday, maybe, unless we're eating out. But we can take these when
Don't
we go.
scare them like that.
Yeah. But you need one of these. Wouldn't this be great for Christmas or a holiday present?
Yeah.
It's the Loud Cup. Some
like
guy
it.
invented it. Check him out.
Yeah. That's
Put
cool.
a link down there.
Thank you.
Yeah. I figured I'd test them out before we bought them for gifts.
Okay, we'll try them out for a little bit.
All right, let me put some iced tea in here and go out and mow my lawn. If anybody gets in my way.
when I say it's time for supper.
All right. Thanks for watching. Check that link.
Oh my gosh.